What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about the $500,000 Bitcoin prediction that is set forth by Cathie Wood of ARK Invest. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, consider smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel. Now, Cathie Wood says that odds are going up for a Bitcoin ETF, spot trading ETF's approval. The SEC has yet to approve a string of spot Bitcoin applications that it received from asset managers including BlackRock, Investco, Fidelity, Van Eck, and we know also ARK Invest has officially sent out their application a month ago for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Cathie Wood, her US-based ARK Invest last month announced its entry into Europe, said the odds are going up that the Securities and Exchange Commission will approve her firm's application for a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund. ARK Invest, which last month announced it had acquired UK-based Rise ETF to assist its push into Europe, filed an application with the US regulators in April to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF with Switzerland's based 21 shares. The SEC has yet to approve a string of spot Bitcoin applications, and it has received from different asset managers, as we've included and mentioned earlier in this video. So last month, the SEC delayed its decision on ARK's Bitcoin ETF, and now has until the 10th of January 2024 to make up its mind. So, meaning, here's kind of my take. And remember, Cathie Wood does have the prediction that's out there. You can Google it. You can look into it. She says that Bitcoin, as a store of value, aside from blockchain technology and everything else with it, as a store of value, has the ability to surpass that of gold because she calls Bitcoin digital gold. So if we look at the multi-trillion dollar valuation for gold with its circulating supply, and then you look at Bitcoin, per Bitcoin, that means she has an expectation, as well as many others, that Bitcoin will not only meet that threshold and achieve gold's market value, but also surpass it. And right now, if you look at the global price for market cap of circulating Bitcoin, it's about 544 million US dollars. Means that it's still, or only a fraction, and I said 544 million, I meant billion, excuse me there. So it's still only a fraction or a 20x from current price to where it needs to be to reach that valuation. So with that being said, my personal take is right now, people get excited about assets when the market is green and things are going up. But that's the biggest mistake you can make in investing in anything. You should instead look for corrections. You should look for things that are on a discount. And of course, with Bitcoin right now sitting at 27.9 from its all-time high of nearly 68,000, has anything significantly changed? Sure, in 2022, there was a lot that happened in November with FTX's collapse, Luna collapse. But for those that bought the dip at Bitcoin being around $16,000, $15,000, you have made a substantial investment, which has now doubled since. So in my opinion, if there's a chance for BTC to become truly, not even from the technology aspect, as a legal ledger for payments and things of that nature, because we understand there's much better options, including Ethereum, XRP, Ripple, and many more. But just from a store of value, I do think it's reasonable to start considering adding some Bitcoin at $27,900 per coin into your long-term investment portfolio. Because if it ever does reach $500,000 per coin, imagine if you had 3 or 4. What could you do with that money? Pretty much whatever you want, even potentially retire at an earlier age. Remember though, this is speculative and there's no surefire that 100% Bitcoin will go to $500,000, but some individuals that are a lot smarter than myself who can analyze the market much better are expecting it to do so. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. That's all I had for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.